Hello everyone, what is up? My name is Xiao. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hello and welcome. And I'm here at work in the break room. I can show you a little bit. When I first started YouTube, I did a video of me putting the loose strings back into my sweatpants. It was really fast, no explanations. This video is the purpose to have explanations. So to see explanations of that, just keep on watching. Things that you will need: sweatpants with string, preferably loose, but this one's already intact. Rubber bands, these I got from the grocery store. They use these to wrap vegetables. I just save these and reuse them. Paintbrush, you want to make sure that the handle's not too thick for it to fit inside the holes in here. Packaging tape and some scissors. Alright, so for your first step, you're going to take your string and your paintbrush, go to end, tie it with the rubber band. So go round and round and round. Make sure it's really tight. Once you have that first one, you want to scoot it all the way down to the end. And keep doing that, and then repeat. Alright, so once you have your rubber bands all along, take your tape, scissors, I'm going to cut it in half. Alright, so you're going to take your tape and tape it around end to end, because if you don't, it's not going to stay together and it's just going to come loose. So with the tape, it's going to be extra security. Just tape it round and round, nice and tight. So it'll be nice and solid instead of like having it very flimsy. Put it in one of these holes, either this one or this one. I'm going to go in this hole and go this way. So this way. And just go in. Just have to wiggle it around. There's the end. And just pull through. And then that's the end result. Once that's pulled through, you can cut the tape. And then take the rubber bands off. Off the paintbrush. So yeah, there's that. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this explanation, that it helps you so that you guys aren't confused and you can tell what I'm actually doing, because in the fast one, you can't really tell. And I'll put the link down below for the fast sped up one. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more of my videos, and bye bye.